In this video, I will show you the two absolute best trading view indicators that you can use for your profitable trading. And if you don't know anything about the trading, then these indicators are for you. And these indicators works perfectly fine into the trading market conditions. If you are going to follow it with the certain rules that I will explain in this video, then definitely the good profits are going to be on your side. But again, the same thing, use it wisely. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to review the market turning points indicator. Okay, so before I jump into this video, first of all, please understand that these indicators are not free. The market turning points and the other one, the bank indicator, bank orders indicator. So if you want to get the access, check the Telegram channel link in the description of this video, and the email address to get the live to book the lifetime version of these indicators. And the good thing is we provide the source code of these indicators along with the delivery. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the gold momentum today. Okay, so first of all, you can see on the second candle, this buy opportunity was fixed, and now you can see the price simply went up. And again, the with the gold movement, it has provided you another buy opportunity on market turning points 15-minute indicator. Okay, you can see basically on this second candle, sorry, not on the first one, and the second, this will get fixed, and then you can see the ride on the upward side. And mostly we take the rides with the trend. Like for example, there is a selling opportunity, so I will ignore that because right now the trend is very way up. So instead, we when we are looking to sell, we should not go against the trend. Okay, so the levels that are created by the market turning points, they are real time. For example, look, the second candle is already closed, this one, and now you can see that it's a perfect time to enter into the sell position. You can take care of the break and structures and everything, and then this indicator will provide you the real time levels. And what you can do, you can set up the stop loss not very close, but little bit far from the level. And this is all about the trading with the market turning points indicator. And this is the perfect indicator. It will provide you with the key levels when the market is where the market is flowing. It will provide you. Now you can see this new level is under formation, and it will tell you in real time that where the market wants to go. Okay, now this was the static level that was created real time on that time, but now it becomes static, and you can see that the market liquidated that level, and then you can see the price is into the downward direction. So this is the best indicator that you can use for your trading decisions. Okay, so if you want to book the lifetime version of the market turning points indicator, contact through Telegram or email. Links are in the description. Now let's talk about the second indicator, that is called the bank orders indicator. This is also very famous among my subscribers, and most of the subscribers have, especially from India and other countries, they have made millions Indian rupees just using with this powerful indicator. Okay, now the things work very differently when we talk about this indicator. Now you can see basically now when we talk about the market earning points level, it's real time. Okay, but now when we talk about the bank orders indicator, some levels appear after the move because those are the liquidation levels. Okay, now how to trade them? That's very simple. You can see when the price was here, this level was created, the bank selling order. Now what happened, the price came to retest that particular level, and we trade on the retest of this indicator. And the retest must be the first retest, not the second, not the third, because all now, for example, again, if the market comes to test the bank selling levels, it will be weak. It will be considered weak because we trade the first retest only. Okay, and those level which are not retested, do not plan to take any kind of a buy position in that case. Okay, so for example, these levels are not retested. Yes, this was retested, it was created, retested, and see, gold simply moved into the upward side. Okay, this level is retested, you can see the price is down. Okay, I can show you more examples. The level, this is retested, this is not retested. So whenever the level will be retested, you can go for the trades. Now for example, if we talk about euro AUD, the price is going to retest this for the first time, so we can go for the sell position in that case with a proper stop loss. You can see it's retested, so we can go for the sell. Okay, okay, now let's see, is this the first retest or the second? Now you can clearly see this bank selling level is the first retest on pound AUD and then see what happened to pound AUD. The pound AUD is simply down. So if you are a retest type of a trader, then go for the bank indicator because it's very heavy in that case. Okay, it works on all assets. Like for example, if you are even trading the Indian markets, what you see here on Bank Nifty 5 minute, the price retested and then you can see it simply made a downward pattern. On Nifty, it retested, you can see the price is down. Okay, so it works on everything. Like in Forex crypto stocks, you can see US 100, it was retested, the bank selling, and you can see the price is down. So these are the powerful indicators. These are the absolute powerful indicators that no one has because they work very well. You can see Bitcoin retested and the price is down. So if you want to book the lifetime version of the bank orders indicator or the other one, that is the market turning points indicator, you can contact through Telegram or email. Links are provided in the description of this video.